Hi guys, I'm glad to see you back. Today is a different day. Today we're doing private training. Because preparation is one of the most important parts, for paint protection film, and a lot of people have a lack of preparation. I always spend a lot of time doing that. Washing with the water, washing down like we done just now, just like with a sponge. Then clay barring is the second step for me, and third step will be again washing down, rinsing with the water, and focusing on the edges. Okay, last step for preparation and detailing is kind of the surface cleaning. Attack these edges behind the rubbers, kind of tight areas, just to make sure there's no dust there. It's my final touch to make sure there's no dirt trapped in the gaps. You can see where is too much material. Too much, and it means we stretch it. And this is our line where we need to focus.
So you trim it all tomorrow?
No, I will trim today,
okay.
And we'll see if I stretch too much, it's gonna come back.
It's gonna shrink.
It's gonna want to shrink. Before I leave, I will come in to say goodbye. Don't leave us!
What do you have?
We have sticker. No, where we should put sticker? You already know. I can't hide the sticker when you know that I will put sticker. You want to put somewhere?
Wherever you want to put it.
Wherever you want to put it. No point in there. Somewhere in the corner. Or just
put on the front. The front, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
That's it. One more place infected.